What up, y'all? It's your boy CKid here, man, back with another video for you guys. And today I have the AirTag Leather Key Ring, and this is every single color that they have with these outside of the Air Maze one, because again, your boy is not spending that kind of money on no key ring loop. I don't care who makes the product. $350 just ain't it, chiefs. First one here we have is the product red color. We also got the blue color that you guys can see, and then we also have the tan color. Let's go ahead and start off with the red one. Let's go ahead and crack this bad boy open. Ooh, man, that's a really shiny little loop there, that's for sure. So let's go ahead and take one of the air tags, pop it right inside of here, and this is what it actually looks like. Now, I do got the keys right here, got the keys to the Maybach. You know, we all got a dream one day, right? If I want to track my keys, this is what it's actually going to look like. I got a bunch of stuff on here, like for no reason, but this is what it's going to look like with the keys. You guys can see right here. All right, so the next one that we actually have up here is the blue leather one. Now, I will say I do like the blue one on here. For some reason, like the blue and the white, it contrasts so good. This is probably going to be the one that I like the most. It just looks really good. So let's go ahead and plop it on my keys, and let's see what it looks like. Now, I do love the stainless steel look. It could just be because it's brand new. This is what the blue looks like on a set of keys, on the Maybach keys. You guys can see, looks pretty good, right? Just blends right in. All right, y'all, and last but not least, we have the leather one in the brown one. All right, so we actually got the brown one right here that you guys can see right here. Now, this one is actually lighter than this one, which is kind of crazy. No, they about the same color. I digress. Now, this is gonna be the one for sure if you're gonna have keys and stuff like that. You're gonna wanna pick up one of these for sure. This is the back side of it. So let's go ahead and put it on the Maybach keys. Always tough to put these on, yo. Now, I will say, with this brown color like this one, it blends in more. Now, I do like how the white as well as the brown kind of mixes pretty good. Back of it looks good. But I will say, to add a little bit more pop of color, I do like the red tag the most, probably, when it comes to putting on a pair of keys. But as far as the look go, I like the blue and white one the most, I would say, out of all of these. But again, all of them, I think, in my opinion, they look good. But if I had to choose between these two, or these three, I would say, I would probably go with the blue for sure, because I just like how the blue looks, and I think it's going to hold up well over time, being more of a darker color than the red, as well as doing this lighter brown as well. But all in all, these are the color options you guys can see right here. So if you guys have any questions about any of the cases that I've had here on the channel, definitely let me know down in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching. Make sure you guys check out some of the other videos that I've done, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Squad. Boom. Done. What up, y'all? It's your boy CKid here, man. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys every single color of the AirTag loop that you guys can get, showing them off, let you guys know what they look like, so that way you guys can make a decision on that. But I also have a great alternative for you guys as well. If you don't want to spend over $30 or $40 on these, I actually have an alternative. I'm going to share that with you guys a little later in this video, so definitely stick around to that. But without further ado, let's go ahead and hop right into the first one.
So I picked up a white AirTag, never lose things that I had lost, that I had left back. Wish they would have made it in space gray or that matte black, but this is where we at, squad, we here, now let's chit chat, see. It's the features that sparking my curiosity. I put it on my keys on my wallet, that's how you finding me. I pop the app open, find me the reciprocity. The pricing for that 4-pack's 100, the generosity. Thanks for that 50K sub count, yeah, we hit, champ. Same swag vibe, just check the look, I had to revamp. So let's get this video cracking and get the details. Like, subscribe, so you never miss a fly unveil.
We're gonna go ahead and start off with the yellow loop. This one here is actually probably the second favorite color that I like of this one. So we're gonna go ahead and just take off the little pull tab they have here at the bottom. Apple always makes it like super easy when it comes to like unboxing their stuff. So let's go ahead and pull this out. You don't really get anything else in here, I don't believe. You just get the sleeve. So this is the color here of the Apple loop. You guys can see here, very vibrant, colorful loop that you see right here. So all you guys gotta do in order to put this in here, unbuckle that like so. Take the tag, slide it right here inside, fits in there like a glove. Super easy, super chill. In order to be able to loop this, all you guys gotta do is take this, but you loop this down inside of here, and then now you're good to go, and it's not gonna go anywhere. All right, so the next one I wanna show you guys is the red color version of it. So this is what this looks like without the tag actually in it. Now, I will say, I do like on the inside here, you get more of like a very like soft suede-ish like material that you get with this. So it's gonna help protect as far as the stainless steel that's on the back of these. So let's go ahead and drop the tag inside of it so you guys can have a look of what that looks like in there. Put it up there to the camera. You guys can see, looks really, really clean. And then that's what it's gonna look like clamped shut. I actually like this color, not even gonna lie. Now, the next one we have here is the all white color. This one here, I'm gonna be honest with you, man. This is probably one of those colors that I probably would never recommend anybody to actually go with, just because this white is just gonna get dirty, guys. Like, it is what it is. I understand it's gonna give you that clean look, clean looking design and all of that, but look, trust me when I tell you, this bad boy is gonna get super dirty, especially if you're putting it on like your keys and all of that type of stuff like that. Yeah, this is definitely gonna get dirty, but this is what the case actually looks like without anything in it. So let's go ahead and slide it right inside of here. And they fit in here super easy. Like, there is no struggle, anything like that. Clamp it shut like so. You guys can see right there, looks really, really clean, and boom. You guys can see what it looks like clamped. And it looks clean, man. I actually like it. But like I said, that white is gonna get extra, extra dirty. All right, and the last one that we have here is the blue color loop. Now, this is actually one of the ones that I like, probably second, I would say, other than the yellow one. I think the yellow one definitely stands out the most, which is what I personally like for myself. But let's go ahead and show you guys what the blue color is gonna look like. It's actually much deeper of a blue than I thought when I first saw it online. So, but yeah, this is the color here. So let's go ahead and put the tag inside of it. There it is. You guys can see, looks good. Now, I actually do like the white contrast with the blue. I think it looks clean, looks super minimal. Give you that look. You guys can see it right there. That's the back, or this is the front, that's the back, whichever way you guys want to do it. There you guys have it, man. That is all of the color options of the AirTags in the Apple AirTag loops. These are the silicone ones that you guys can get. Again, I will have links to all of these down in the description section below if you guys want to check that out. All right, so I told you guys, if you're sticking around, I got a little surprise for you. I'm going to show you guys a way how you guys can get these, but not at the $30 or $40 price tag. Now, y'all already know, man, even when it comes to something like my Apple Watch, I always go with third-party bands, just simply because it's way cheaper. You're literally still getting the same quality. So I found this website. It's called the Apple Nest. Now, they actually are selling theirs literally almost the exact same quality as these, but they're selling them for only $15. So I'm all about saving money, and I want you guys to be able to save some money too, because like I said, as good as these Apple loops are as far as the quality, they do feel good. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, but at the end of the day, it's just like silicone or whatever this material is. Found this site here that actually has them, and it is way cheaper, and I will link that down in the description section below for you guys. Definitely gonna save you guys some money, especially when you start adding these bad boys up, because you've already spent $100 for this, and then you go buy more of these, you're spending another, what, if you spend $30 for these, you're spending another $120 just for the loops to be able to put these things in. So I think that's the area where you guys should save the most money, is actually on the accessories for these things to actually go into. So why not save some money? Again, link for that is down in the description section below if you guys want to check that out. But other than that, that is the video for the Apple AirTag loops. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comment section below. Watch some of the other videos right here. Thanks again for watching. See y'all in the next one. Squad.